Intergeo 2024, we are coming! Hello everyone, we are excited to be at Intergeo Startup from September 24th to 26th. Welcome to visit our booth L1.007 or want to see our latest solutions and innovations. We will display our self-developed LiDAR scanning systems, GS100D, GS100C+, GS130X, GS260H, GS1500M, GS2000R, covering short, medium, and long-range LiDAR systems. Our experts will be available for questions and personalized consultations with live demonstrations and interactive presentations. Whether you are interested in advanced Gs or cutting-edge remote sensing, we have exciting displays, live presentations, and interactive demonstrations for you. We look forward to meeting you and exploring future opportunities together.